All right, so this is called the laser particle counter. So this actually measures what's in the air. So if you come on closer just for a moment, you'll actually see that it has a few numbers here. So see how it says 295, 318? See how it's changing? The reason it's changing is sucks in a cubic feet of air and then it gives it a laser reading measurement. And this measures 0.3 micron on that side, 0.5 micron on that side. So 0.3 micron, just to give you an idea, it's 900 times smaller than a human hair. So it's ultra-fine particulates that this actually measures. All right, so you have to multiply this times 1,000. So you're running around 300,000 particles per square foot. So there's a lot of pollution in the air. All right, and then 0.5 micron is 100,000 particles per square foot. And you've got a big house here, so there's a lot of square footage of pollutants. Wow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have you come on over just for this part, and then we can go back on it. So this right here, I'm going to turn it on. This is the IntelliPure. It's actually right out of Pulaski, New York. And what this does, it filters down to 0.3 micron. So I tested about 13 different air cleaners. This one was the only one that came out as 0. So I'm going to put it right over the top. And if you look over here on the numbers, see what's happening to the numbers?
Oh,
They're going down.
Oh, wow.
So what's coming out right now is 100% pure air at 0.3 micron. 0.3 micron is a very difficult particle to trap and capture. This machine actually does it, and that's why we sell so many. So people with issues with breathing, this is going to be great for your daughters with her allergies. So there's things in the air that trigger allergic reaction. It could be dust mite, could be saliva from the cats that crystallizes and clings to dust. This eliminates all of it. So you can clearly see at the 0.3 micron, one of the most difficult particles to actually trap, this actually filters out 0.0 at 0.3 micron. All right, and then what I'll do is I'll actually open it up so the air comes in from the two sides right here. So from this side and this side sucks in. It filters through a pre-filter, which I'll show you, and then it goes through a main filter, which is on top. Okay, and then I'll shut it off. I'll lay it on the back, and I'll actually show you how we're able to. Because people ask me, "Oh, Angel, how does it work? How does it give you pure air at 0.3 micron?" Here's the first set of stages of filtration. So this actually has 5 stages of filtration. It has a polypollen mesh, has a mini fleet filter, has a carbon, zeolite, potassium pergamenate, and another polypollen mesh. So those are 5 stages. Each stage, the air scrubbed and purified. All right, so it has the arrows there. So the way you put it is that way, where it goes into. That's the intake. All right, so you put it on in here. And push it in. There it's fastened. See this section right here? It has 2 screws, one on that side, that side. That's the main filter. Okay, so I'll give you an explanation on the main filter. All right.
Oh, so those are the 2 screws there?
Yeah, so right here and right here on the inside.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Now I'm going to put it back together and I'll turn it on, and then you can sit right on the chair as I'm explaining this section, this part right here. So you have heard of HEPA filters, 99.9.
Yeah, I have one of those.
Yep, so listen to this. So 99.99% filtration. The problem is they're right, it filters a lot. Unfortunately, it clogs up quicker, which means you have to replace the filter very frequently. So this main filter, which is on the top, is an 85% media. So the question people say, if it's 85, how does it give pure air at 0.3 micron? Ready? So there's wires that are underneath, and what they do is they create an electrostatic magnetic shield, which collaborate, they clump particles to coagulate, and what happens, it makes them bigger. So that's how it's able to filter. So you're able to move 500 cubic feet of air in an hour. However, there's no restriction of air flotation. So it's a genius design. They use this technology in clean rooms, operating rooms, where there can't be anything in the air. And because it kills germs, virus, bacteria, fungi, they put them actually in the central systems. So when they have someone open, there's nothing in the air other than H2O, hydrogen and oxygen. So that is the filtration unit. So yeah, any questions you guys have on the unit, I'm going to give you my YouTube page so you can find me on there. And there's the air cleaner. They call it DFS, Disinfectant Filtration System. And it takes care of all contaminants from mold, mildew, viruses, bacteria, fungi, bioaerosols, VOC, volatile organic compound. Matter of fact, I forgot to tell you, if you paint the room, you know that fumes smell? People get headaches from those. Actually from the fumes in the VOC. Anyway, this eradicates that.
Really?
So yeah, it'll take rid of that. If you know someone that has a cat, if you know someone that has a dog, we love our pets. but we hate the pet odor, dander, and that's what this does. By the way, the rainbow gets rid of the pet dander, which creates pet odors. This one is doing it on a continuous basis. So the two together are a couple made in heaven. So there it is. All right, and any questions, reach out to me.
Okay,
All right.
great.
Beautiful.